Hey everyone! Ready to boost your English vocabulary? Today, we're diving into the most important jobs in English, from doctors to engineers, teachers to firefighters. You'll learn the names of essential professions with clear pronunciation. So, stay tuned and let's get started.
Optometrist. Optometrist. Doctor. Doctor. Nurse. Nurse. Surgeon. Surgeon. Dentist. Dentist. Pharmacist. Pharmacist. Paramedic. Paramedic. Veterinarian. Veterinarian. Psychologist. Psychologist. Physiotherapist. Physiotherapist. Civil engineer. Civil engineer. Mechanical engineer. Mechanical engineer. Electrical engineer. Electrical engineer. Software engineer. Software engineer. Chemical engineer. Chemical engineer. Aerospace engineer. Aerospace engineer. Biomedical engineer. Biomedical engineer. Architect. Architect. IT specialist. IT specialist. Network administrator. Network administrator. Teacher. Teacher. Professor. Professor. Researcher. Researcher. Scientist. Scientist. Librarian. Librarian. Education consultant. Education consultant. CEO. CEO. Manager. Manager. HR specialist. HR specialist. Accountant. Accountant. Financial analyst. Financial analyst. Marketing manager. Marketing manager. Sales representative. Sales representative. Receptionist. Receptionist. Writer. Writer. Journalist. Journalist. Photographer. Photographer. Graphic designer. Graphic designer. Actor. Actor. Musician. Musician. Director. Director. Painter. Painter. Carpenter. Carpenter. Plumber. Plumber. Electrician. Electrician. Mechanic. Mechanic. Welder. Welder. Construction worker. Construction worker. Factory worker. Factory worker. Pilot. Pilot. Flight attendant. Flight attendant. Truck driver. Truck driver. Taxi driver. Taxi driver. Ship captain. Ship captain. Chef. Chef. Waiter. Waiter. Baker. Baker. Bartender. Bartender. Soldier. Soldier. Police officer. Police officer. Security guard. Security guard. Firefighter. Firefighter. Farmer. Farmer. Fisherman. Fisherman. Environmental scientist. Environmental scientist.
And that's it. Now you know the most important job names in English. Which job is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome lessons. See you next time. Keep learning and keep growing.